Look, it's just about springtime. The almond blossoms have opened. Late winter, almost spring. Almond buds just ready to burst. It's almost springtime. After this last spell of winter we're having with a cold, snowy day today. There's snow on the nearby tablelands. So cold. It's almond blossom time. Look at the beautiful almond blossoms. They'll make the parrots happy, won't they? Parrots eat green almonds and they also eat ripe almonds as well. But they'll probably eat them all while they're green. All pink blossoms. Buds ready to burst. Listen to the bird's song. Listen to the wind as well. The cold late winter wind. This almond tree was planted from a nut from the greengrocers. I don't think you can do that in America because I think the nuts are exposed to gamma radiation. But you can in Australia. So lovely. All from a seed. What am I doing out here in the rain? It's raining slightly.